Hi, I wanted to make a video about how much I like Anna Macko's course, what it's done for me, how very grateful I am for her trading, for her training. Uh, the main reason why I like it is because I've made money from day one and I continue to make money. I'm a complete newbie to crypto. I've traded other markets on and off for the last 25 years, but crypto did intimidate me. It's a whole new thing. I didn't know how to buy it, how to hold it, what platforms I could trust. I was researching on my own. I'm glad I jumped in with Anna because it would have taken me a lot longer to feel comfortable to jump in. And this market is so amazing, so different than anything else, so crazy and so lucrative that even a few weeks or a few months of not jumping in would have cost me some serious money. Uh, I also want to talk about her what she teaches you in the training. The concept of the stress-free trading is amazing to me. I traded other markets and I had ulcers, I had drawdowns, I had liquidations. I it was rough, and if I've had more than 150 trades since I've joined. I joined in May, I started trading in July. I've had more than 150 trades, all profitable. If you would have told me that that was possible before the course, I'd have said, "You're crazy, that, uh, I can't do that, and there's no system that can do that." Uh, so her system is unique. It's counterintuitive. This is a beautiful emerging market with a lot of give in the market. So it allows for you to start with a little bit of money and you can trade that slow and steady into a large amount of money in 2, 3, 5 years. Life-changing money. I'm very grateful to be able to participate. I, I have a blue collar job. I have a small business. I make a nice living and I have some money to invest. But I'm 59 years old and I've made my retirement income 2 or 3 times in this lifetime. But due to divorce, bad business decisions, helping out loved ones, economic downturns, I'm almost starting from over again. And I was kind of depressed about it before I joined this course because I know what it took to make money before, and I really didn't feel like I had that kind of time left in my working life to be able to do it again. And now I see I'm doing it quicker than ever. I'm moving towards that financial freedom. I have a lot more money than when I started this course. That's amazing. That doesn't happen. I bought so many courses and made no money from them. I've gone to weekends that were $2,000, $5,000. I've had private mentorships that were $10,000 or $15,000. None of those were effective as Anna's course. Like I say, her stress-free trading still really amazes me, and it fits my personality beautiful. Uh, I, I can't say enough about it. W- I know in her alert service, she'll put out a trade, and I'll look at the trade and I think, wow, that's the trade that I just took a couple seconds ago. So she has taught me her system so effectively that I, I could pick up, we're looking the same thing, and I can pick up the trades like that. That's never really happened for me. I've had people try to teach me very complicated systems that I couldn't work in the heat of the market. I've had people with simplistic systems that I could, but I wasn't making any money from it. Uh, Anna's the first trading system or business system of any kind that I've made this kind of money. The crypto market is just unbelievable. And like I say, it's counterintuitive that you could go into such a new and beautiful, emerging, wild, crazy market like this. And it's actually a lot safer than the trading that I was doing for 25 years. I sleep at night. I assess my risk and I put the trades on and I'm always comfortable and I'm making money and I'm keeping my crypto. And I just wanted to say how grateful I am and how much I think of this program. If you're interested in crypto, don't waste the time. Join, jump in, learn this system, follow the rules. I've never gone wrong following Anna's rules. I'm really grateful she started this trading program, and this movement. I love the Facebook group, and I love the program. And I just wanted to say that. Thank you.